Hello, friends, and welcome to GBS classes. Today, we are going to study about Social Studies Standard 10th, Chapter number 3 Cultural Heritage of India, Sculptures and Architecture, Part 2. In the last session, we have studied about the caves of Gujarat. And now, in this session, we are going to study about the architecture work in the temples. But before moving on to the architecture of temples, I would just like to finish up with the caves of Gujarat. We have last studied about the Talaja caves. Next is about the Sana caves. These groups of caves are situated on the top of the Sana mountain in the Vindhya villages. Una Taluka in Gir Somnath district. These are spread on the mountains and it is believed to have like a beehive. मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है, ये इस तरह से वहाँ पर दे आर बीन स्प्रेड ओवर देयर. नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट द ढाका केव. ढाकागिरी इज सिचुएटेड इन द ढाका विलेज ऑफ उपलेटा तालुका एट राजकोट डिस्ट्रिक्ट and it is considered that they might have been built in the beginning of the 4th century. Jinjuri Jar. There are many Buddhist caves in the west of Dhaka, about 7 kilometers from Siddheshwar, in the valley of Jhinjara. It is considered that they have been built in the 2nd century. Next is about the Khapra Khodia caves at Kutch. These caves are situated on the top mountain near Old Padghat in the Lakhpat Taluka of Kutch. There are 2 caves of this discovery are by K.K. Shastri in 1967 AD. They were been discovered by K.K. Shastri in the year 1967 AD. Caves at the Kalia Dungar. There are 3 caves in Kalia Dungar at the Jhartia Taluka in Bharuch district. These are the best old sculpture architectured specimens of the Buddhist religion. Architecture of these caves is marvelous. They are best and they are very beautifully done. An 11 feet high statue of lion. What is the specimens of this? What is the importance of this? That is a 11 feet high statue of a lion with 2 bodies and 1 mouth in the form of the pillar has been carved which is on a single rock. Single एक ही rock से वो पूरा structure बनाया गया है. That is 11 feet ऊंचा lion का है. उसकी bodies 2 हैं but the mouth is only the 1. Here we end up with the caves. Now we'll start with the temples, the architecture of the temples. First is the chariot temple. Chariot मतलब रथ, जो रथ के फॉर्म में है उसे हम बोलते हैं chariot temple. A unique feature of the Pallava age can be seen in the famous chariot temple of South India, which is carved from a single rock. एक बड़े से rock पर उसे carve out किया गया है. That is why it is called as a single rock. Kailashnath temple of Kanchi and the temple of Vaikunt Perumal are the best example of the architectural art. ये 2 temples है, Kailashnath temple of Kanchi and the temple of Vaikunt Perumal. ये 2 temple हैं, वो इस art के best examples हैं. Apart from these mandapas and the Mahabalipuram and the chariot temples of Mahabalipuram are world famous. ये जो हैं ये पूरे world में famous हैं ये temples. Each one dome is a rock cut temple. Rocks को काट के ये temples बनाए गए हैं. These chariots are named after the Pandavas. ये जो पांडवास थे ना 5 पांडव, उनके नाम में से ही इनके नाम रखे गए हैं. Chariot temple of Dharmaraj is the biggest one and the chariot temple of Draupadi is the smallest one. Next we study about the temple architect. Here you can see a chariot temple given over here. This is what is called as a chariot temple. वो रथ के शेप में पूरा temple है. Many famous architecture have seen high pedestal and pinnacle. Pedestal मतलब the base, जिसके ऊपर पूरा temple खड़ा होता है वो base, and pinnacle is the शिखर, the topmost of the temple, जो हम बोलते हैं ना शिखर है उसका. Many famous temples architects are seen with the हाई पेडिस्टल एंड पिनाकल विद द लैडर लगी हुई है जो ऊपर शिखर पर हमें पहुंचाती है. बट सम आर फ्लैट विद द प्रदक्षिणा पाथ. प्रदक्षिणा हम मंदिर में जाते तो जो प्रदक्षिणा करते हैं उसके आसपास जो हम एक चक्कर लगाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं प्रदक्षिणा. प्रदक्षिणा पाथ एनसर्कल द गर्भगृह. गर्भगृह यानी जो मेन पार्ट है जहाँ मूर्ति रखी जाती है उसे बोलते हैं गर्भगृह. उसके आसपास जब हम प्रदक्षिणा करते हैं वो एक उसको हम बोलते हैं प्रदक्षिणा पाठ. द Bhumara Shiv temple near the Jabalpur and the temples of Larkhan in Bijapur district are copper statues of Lord Buddha in Nalanda and Jain temples of Mathura the unique specimens of architecture and sculpture. आर्किटेक्चर यानी उसको बनावट, उसकी जो बनावट है वो, और स्कल्पचर जो उस पर स्कल्प किया गया है. जैसे हमने कल भी पढ़ा था स्कल्पचर मतलब वो छेनी हथौड़ी से उसको कार्व ऑन किया गया था. There is a great contribution of Pallavas kings. Temples constructed in the Karchi and the capital of the Pallavas are very famous. Tanjavur was the capital of the Chola dynasty. It is also asked in one line answer or sometime as an objective. What was the capital of Chola dynasty? That is the Tanjavur. The great Bhradeshwar temple was the first temple constructed by the Raja of Chola dynasty. ये भी अगेन एक मार्क ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में आता है. विच इज द फर्स्ट टेम्पल, दैट इज द बृहदेश्वर टेम्पल दैट वाज बीन कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय राजा ऑफ द चोला डायनेस्टी एंड इट इज अबाउट 200 meters एट हाइट. an extraordinary temple of the ancient India. It is a very beautiful specimens of the ancient India. Next we are going to study about the architect of the Gopuram. Gopuram, you can see the picture given below. गोपुरम मीन्स द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द टेम्पल, जहाँ से हम मंदिर में एंटर होते हैं. द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द टेम्पल्स गेन द मॉन्यूमेंटम ड्यू टू द एनकरेजमेंट ऑफ द पांड्या रूलर्स ऑफ द साउथ इंडिया. उन्होंने इतना एनकरेज किया था जिसकी वजह से आज हम इतने ब्यूटीफुल टेम्पल्स देख पा रहे हैं. दे वर बिल्ड आउट ऑफ वॉल्स एंड द ब्यूटीफुली डेकोरेटेड गेट्स आउटसाइड द टेम्पल. टेम्पल्स तो ब्यूटीफुल हैं बट उनके जो गेट्स हैं वो भी इतने ब्यूटीफुल और इतने अट्रैक्टिव हैं कि लोग उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो ही जा रहे हैं. द गेट्स ऑफ दिस टेम्पल्स आर नोन एज द गोपुरम. जो इन टेम्पल्स के जो गेट्स हैं उन्हें हम गोपुरम बोलते हैं. द आर्टिस्टिक ग्लोरी ऑफ द गोपुरम हैज बिकम मोर पॉपुलर देन इट टेम्पल्स. उनके जो एंट्रेंस है वो ही ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है रादर देन द टेम्पल्स. गोपुरम ऑफ कांची एंड मदुरा गिव्स एन असेंटिक प्लेजर इवन टुडे व्हेन वी व्यूड फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस. उनको आप दूरी से भी देखते हो, बस वो टेम्पल्स के गेट्स देखते ही हमारा मन प्रसन्न हो जाता है. हियर यू कैन सी द आर्किटेक्चरल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द गोपुरम. एज यू कैन सी द गिवन लेबल 1. द फर्स्ट यू कैन सी इज अबाउट द गर्भगृह. यू कैन सी एट ओवर हियर इन द बॉटम, गर्भगृह. This means a small and a dark rectangular room in which the ideal is kept. जहाँ मेन मूर्ति रखी जाती है उसे हम गर्भगृह बोलते हैं. Next is of the Gopuram here. Gopuram means the gateway of the southern Indian temple. It is the main entrance and the temples are convex shaped and the other two stories are aloft to make the pyramidal structure that makes the Gopuram strong. Then is the Mandapam. It is the big hall constructed on the pillars on the huge area lying in front of the main gate. जो मेन गेट से लेकर हमें मंदिर तक ले जाती है उस पाथ को हम बोलते हैं गोपुरम. Then is the pinnacle. Over here is the pinnacle, that is the shikhar. Pinnacle is also known as the shikhar. The pointed exterior part of the garbhagriha at the top is known as the pinnacle. It is plated either with the gold or brass. आपने देखा होगा कई टेम्पल का एकदम जो हेड पार्ट है, टॉप पार्ट, either it is of the gold or either it is of a brass. Then is the Vaman. Vaman you can see over here is here. Can you see that? Okay. Now what does this Vaman mean is? Vaman is a part of the temple. It is a semicircle or a sloping shape. It has many stories and looks like a pyramid. So here we got the structure of the Gopuram, how the temples were being constructed. Now here we are going to study about the Sun Temple of Konark. This time many a times it is asked as a short note. Many a time it has been asked as a short note that I write a short note on the Sun Temple of Konark. The Sun Temple, you can write about 4 to 5 points. Either it is asked for 2 marks, so maximum you can write 6 points on that. Okay. Now the Sun Temple of Konark is in Odisha, which is the one of the forms of the chariot temple. Again, it is a chariot temple. You can see the picture given over here. Brideshwar Temple of the Tanjavur has 13 stories of Gopuram. Metallic and stone idols. Metallic metal से बनी हुई and stone पत्थर से बनी idols यानी मूर्तियाँ of this age have the special characteristics. Bronze statue of Nataraja is the best example of the ideal sculpture. Bronze means pittal. पित्तल के जो स्टैचूज हैं, they are the, you can see the best example of the ideal sculpturing. Ideals यानी मूर्ति जो बनाई जाइए वो ब्रास की, जो ब्रोंज की बनाई गई, वो बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द स्कल्पटिंग. कितनी खूबसूरती से वो मूर्तियां बनाई गई हैं. Chola temple have their own spindle age in the field of art and agri. Meenakshi, one of the huge temples of India in Madurai, has spread in a vast area. It has 4 main gopurams. From the architecture point of view, it is a wonderful temple. In the medieval period, Khajuraho was the capital city of Chandela, ruler of the Bundelkhand. Again, 1 mark answer. Khajuraho was the capital city of the Chandela, ruler of Bundelkhand. Chandela rulers built up the beautiful temples of Khajuraho, or it can be asked who built the temples of Khajuraho. That is the Chandela rulers. The style of the pinnacle varies from the others. Khajuraho temples are the finest temples. उनके जो पिनाकल्स हैं यानी टॉपर शिखर, उनके जो स्ट्रक्चर्स वो बिल्कुल अलग थे, बहुत डिफरेंट थे उनके. Next we'll study about the Jain temples of Desra. Jain temples are found in various places in India. Verbhar at Ragura, Vipulchand, Ratnagiri, Udnagiri and Shaningiri are the 5 main Jain temples. There is a Siddheshwara pilgrim in the Sedam Srikhej, Bihar, and it is known as the Madhuvan. Adinath Bhagavan and the other 20 Trinkatalas attained the Nirvan. Nirvan yani moksha pana. There are the temples of Abhinandan Nathji and Peshwa Nathji Bhagwan. Mahavir reached over here and many sages attained salvation. Salvation यानी यहाँ पर उनको आकर मोक्ष प्राप्त हुआ था. There is a Jain temple at the Palitana and Sankheshwar temple at Panchshara in Gujarat. Jain temple at Dilwara, that is in Mount Abu, and Ranakpur in Rajasthan are the excellent and wonderful form of constructions. Dilwara temple of Abu, which has been constructed by the minister Vimal Shah, are the Vimal Vashi, and the other ministers Vatstupal constructed the Luna Vashi, are the examples of the sculptures. These are constructed with the marble. The main part is these temples are mostly constructed with the marble. They are famous in India as well known in the abroad also because of their attractive minute artistic work of culture. Minute एकदम बारीक काम, और जो आर्टिस्ट लोग ने उस पर एकदम बारीकी से काम किया हुआ, that is the thing made them the whole famous in the whole world. These temples are wonderful and the memorables of gifts of the Jain religion to the Indian culture. Jain temples are worldwide and famous due to their art of sculpture and architecture. Now we'll study about the Sun Temple of Modhera. Again, this is also as in a short note, but be careful. There are 2 sun temples. One is of Konark and one is of Modhera. So which one is asked? You should be very much careful before writing this answer. Modhera temple in Gujarat, that is in Mehsana district, was built in 1026 AD during the reign of the Solanki king, that was Bhimdev I. A gem was stuck in the middle of the crown of the sun god. Gem, कीमती precious stones. ठीक है, उन जो सूर्य देवता का जो क्राउन था उसमें वो जड़ा हुआ था. The entrance gate of the eastern side of this temple constructed in such a way that the first ray of sun falls directly on the gem. उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन इस तरह से किया गया है कि जैसे ही सूर्य की पहली किरण उगती है वो डायरेक्टली उस जेम पे गिरती है, एंड द एंटायर सेनिटम, सेनिटम मतलब वो जो पवित्र स्थान है, इट लाइट्स अप, एकदम एक लाइट उसमें आ जाती है, एंड क्रिएटिंग अ डिवाइन एटमॉस्फेयर, डिवाइन यानी एकदम हम बोलते हैं ना एकदम पवित्र वातावरण वहाँ पर बन जाता है. 12 different images of sun god are and erotic sculptures are seen in this temple. 12 images, 12 सूर्य देवता की वहाँ मूर्तियाँ रखी हुई है. The carving of this temple is done in an Iranic school art. There are 108 small temples surrounding the outside tank, which creates a pleasant sight at the dusk and the dawn. Dusk is the evening time and dawn is the morning time. जो सूर्य की पहली किरण आती है उसे हम बोलते हैं dawn, and the evening when the sun sets, at that time it is called as the dusk. Now the medieval architecture during the medieval period. The architecture of the mosque, minarets, royal palaces, bridges, inns, etc. seen in the medieval age. Qutbuddin Aibak built the Qutub Minar. Again, objector who built the Qutub Minar, that is the Qutbuddin Aibak. And Quwa-e-Islam Mosque, these were the two built by the Qutbuddin Alam. Similar mosques named, what are the other mosques you can see over here is, just okay. Next is about, you have studied the similar mosque named Dai Din Ka Jhopda, that was built again by Qutbuddin Aibak in Ajmer. This is many a times asked in an objective, that where is Dai Din Ka Jhopda constructed. It has been built in Ajmer and it was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Next is about the Bengal. Adina Mosque at the Paduna region of Bengal, tomb of Jalaluddin Muhammad Shah and the Tantri Para Mosque are constructed. This region developed its own style in the field of architecture. Then is about the Jaunpur. Sultans of Turkey built the Atala Mosque. There is an artistic grill around the dome. Grill जो हम लोग लगाते हैं ना, जाली. The walls and the ceilings are decorated with many Indian designs including the lotus. Then is about the Malwa. Peculiar style of the Mandu building is seen under the protection of the sultans. Many such tombs have been created over here, and the huge and intensive domes carving of the balcony. यहाँ का main का वहाँ की balconies that were being very much impressive. Domes जो ऊपर वाला part होता है ना मॉस्क्यू का, वो जो oval shape, they are known as the domes. Tomb of the Hoshang Shah is completely made of marble in an Indian style. Other provision besides the rulers, the rulers of the Kashmir and Badni built the dome of the Bijapur. Buildings at Birdar and the Gulbani and Madrasa of Muhammad Gawa, temples of Hampi, Vithala Swami and Hazar Rama. Gopurams are the artistic pillars and well-known art of Vijayanagar Empire. Now next we are going to study about the architecture of Gujarat. Sculpture and architecture of Gujarat include the temples and various religious mosques, viharas of Buddhist religion, mats, stupas, chaityas, carved temples, Jain temples. Besides these different types of temples, construction useful for the study are the royal palaces, forts, domes, gates, kirti stamps, inns, that is the sanctuaries, upashayas, vismas, verandas, skylight, watchtower, that is jarokha, arches, wells, steep wells, lakes and ponds. Figures of animals, birds are the most beautiful, magnificent structures of these temples. Here you can see the picture of the Kirti Toran of Vidyanagar. First is about the temples. In the religious field, temples of different religions have been built in Gujarat, Temples of Bhadrakali, Gita Mandir, Veda Temple, Jagannath Temple, Ranchora Temple of Dakor, Sun Temple of Modera, Hatheshwar Mahadev Temple of Vadnagar, Ambaji Temple, Shamlaji Temple, Somnath Temple, Jagat Temple, Bahucharji Temple, Mahakali Temple at Pavagadh, Swaminarayan Temples, then Brajimat Temple, that is in Khed Brahma, Kodiyar Mataji Temple in Bhavnagar, Madh of Ashapuri, Kutch. These are the famous temples of the Gujarat. Next is about the mosques. Jama Masjid near the Teen Darwaza in Ahmedabad. Sultan Ahmad Shah has built this mosques over here. Mosques in 1424 AD. It has 260 pillars. The mosque that was built by Sultan Ahmad Shah I. It had 260 pillars and 15 domes. The other structure include the Siddhi Sayyad Jali, which is miniature carving, Rosa of Sarkhej, Shaking Tower, जिसको हम झूलता मीनार भी बोलते हैं, in Ahmedabad, Mosque of King Sipri, which are also known as the Mosque of Nagina, and the Jama Masjid at Chapaner. These are such mosques that are built in the big cities of Gujarat. Next is about the Jain temples. Jain temples of Hathi Singh, Kumbhariyarji, Sankheshwar, Siddhirajji, that is the Siddhigiri, Seturanji Giri, Palitana, etc. The quite well-known sculpture architecture of carving point of view. They are mainly famous for their architecture or the carving part of view. Next is about the steep wells of Gujarat. Steep wells means kuएं. Steep wells of Adalji, steep wells of Dada Hari, that is Harini Vav, Ahmedabad. रानीनी स्टीप वेल ऑफ पाटन, जिसको हम रानी की वाव भी बोलते हैं, हरी बोगला, दोबोई, etc. are very splendid examples of the steep well construction. The way they are being constructed is a very beautiful examples of that. Apart from this, there are many best specimens in the field of architecture. That is the fort of Bhadra, Teen Darwaza, Nagina Wadi, Kakariya Lake, Rudra Mahalay, Shah Shringa Lake, Chori of the Shamalji, Samadhi of Tarariri, Kirti Toran, Munsar Lake, Malwa Lake. These are also the dignity of Gujarat. They are also the places of dignity of Gujarat. Today Gujarat shines like a star in the world map because of the art of sculpture and architecture and carving. Because of the sculptures, its architecture of this, it is even a shining point in the whole world. Here you can see the sketch of mosque is given. Now what is it about? I'll just show it in the short. First is the Galiara. Can you see this part, Galiara? This is the way to enter and exit from the mosque. Then is the Qibla over here. This is the part of the architecture, is a part of mosque or a hall where the namaz is being performed, where namaz is being read. Next is the Livan, this place. This is a room in a mosque with pillars. There are many pillars over here. Then is the Maksura, end of the mosque, which is separated by a railing. Then is the Marhab, this part. Interior part of the mosque wall, which is a human heighted, indicates the correct direction to the Mecca, is known as Marhaba. Then is the Shanan, this one. The campus of the mosque where the followers of Islam together pray, known as Shahan. So here we end up with the chapter. I think it's a very clear and a very proud to study about the Gujarat temples and architectures. Thank you.